back to Sanela Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 29th to the 3rd of July 2026 on Monday. Nkunzi gets attacked inside his own cell. Lily's therapy session with Dr. Zungu hits a breaking point. Madlala drops a bombshell on Madongwe about Fikile on Tuesday. Sholepi tells Hawu that she wishes she had a better son. Dr. Zungu does a role play to help Lily talk about her father. Nonka accidentally tells Msomi the truth about Njeza's shooting on Wednesday. Sikidi finds himself in a crooked place when he stumbles upon a deep secret. Madlala witnesses unholiness in a holy place. Babegazi's love life affects her dining experience on Thursday. While the staff joke about the Italian flag representing a new menu for Wanjomane, Kazimulo's more alarmed, thinking it could be a rival sending a message. Dr. Zungu views Lily's healing as a rite of passage that requires Lily to confront her father directly on and Madlala's suspicions of Figile's saintly act has her spying on Fikile and Sbu. She captures them in a compromising position and records it on her phone on Friday. Kazimulo reacts decisively to a mysterious message. Lily confronts the father who shatters her life, while Pondo ensures Skiddy remain quiet about his secret. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.